Hi everyone! Today is New Year's Day when I'm recording this, so Happy New Year's. I am keeping it real today because I have not showered since my morning run, so there you go. Also, my kids are running around. We're hosting some family from the East Coast, from New York, and so you may hear background noise. That's okay. All right, so this time of year, people love to think about how they want to grow and develop New Year's resolutions or new habits they want to create. And that's all great. But there's, as you probably know, there's some downsides to that too, such as people struggle to follow through with their New Year's resolutions, or they forget about them completely, or the New Year's resolutions are really coming from a place of deficit, meaning thinking about the ways that we're lacking. And that's typically not the most effective way to grow as a person. Rather, starting from our strengths and the positive things we have going for us usually results in more effective development, personal development, and more long-lasting. So this week, we're going to start with our strengths and then look at some habits you may want to try out developing. Okay. There we go. All right, so what I'm going to ask you to do first, after you leave this screencast, you're going to go to the first assignment, which is taking this survey. You're going to go to this website, viacharacter.org. It is linked in the assignment page. This is what you'll see. You will click on Take the Free Survey. That will bring you to a page that looks like this. You'll need to register to take the survey. It is free. You're just creating an account. So that's that. I would not select this, receive the newsletter, but you'll need to select that you have read and understand the terms and conditions to continue. All right. You'll be given, after you register, you'll be given two choices, the adult survey or the youth survey. You're going to take the youth survey. Pretty easy, straightforward. Then once you start the actual survey, you're going to need at least 10 minutes, probably more like 15. For some of you, maybe 20, depending on if you like to just go with your first gut instinct or if you like to sit with the question for a little bit. But it's a pretty standard survey. You are answering it based on what's real for you. Look at this. It says, many of the questions reflect statements that many people would find desirable. So you want to say, yes, that's totally me. But we want you to answer only in terms of whether the statement describes what you are like. Please be honest and accurate. We cannot rank your strengths until you answer all of the questions, and your rankings will only be as accurate as your responses to these questions. Now, what you're seeing on this screen, just so you know, is the adult survey, because that's what I took for myself. Okay. Once you finish, you'll get survey results. This is just a screenshot, so I can't scroll down to show you the rest. It starts with your signature strengths, your top 5 strengths. And then the next one are like your middle strengths, and then the lowest ones are like, I can't remember what they call it. But basically, the cool thing about this is it's based on research-based strengths, 24 character strengths, not like skill strengths. We've looked at that before, like time management, organization, etc. But this is just like character, like who you are as a person. These are traits that we all have, and they're positive traits. And this is just a ranking of the ones that are the highest for you. So it's pretty cool because it's so positive. Just ignore this. It's inviting you to purchase something, but you don't need to do that. So ignore that. Okay. Then at the bottom, you're going to, right down here, it says PDF results. You can barely see that on this screen. You're going to download your PDF results, and it'll generate a PDF with all 24 strengths in rank order of all 24 positive character traits in rank order of your strongest ones, the strongest traits for you. Okay? And so that is what you're going to submit in this assignment for me.